How to make the shape transition. Today's video is sponsored by After Effects. Bring a Fusion slide transition between your clips. Right-click in the transition and select Open in Fusion page. Double-click in the transition node. Select the background node, open the settings and double-click in the center value to reset it. Select the dissolve, double-click to the background foreground to reset it also. Go to frame 16, bring the background foreground slider to 0, and activate the keyframe button. Go to frame 20 and bring the slider back to 1. Select the background node, go to frame 16 again, and activate the keyframe button for the center value. Go to frame 20 and set the center X value to -0.5. Add a merge node after the transition. Connect your second clip as a foreground to this merge also. Make sure that you are in frame 16, and add a polygon mask to the merge. Activate the invert box, and draw a mask around your subject. Once you have finished the mask, add a transform node. Disconnect your mask and connect it to the yellow point of the transform. Select the transform node, and set the pivot point to be in the center of your shape. Activate the keyframe for the size value. Go back to the first frame, and increase the size until it is covering all of your image. If you liked this clip, subscribe to this channel. If you didn't, you are lucky, it's over now.